We're going to put together a video here on assembling and adjusting the Vive folding rollator. We have the rollator unboxed now. You can see the pieces as they will be when you remove them from the box. The frame of the rollator will be folded up with the front wheels detached as well as the bag. We'll cover first unfolding and attaching the front wheels. First step in assembling the rollator is going to be attaching the front swiveling wheels to the frame of the rollator. I have the rollator laid on its back. It's still folded up now, just as it would be when you remove it from the box. I have one of the front wheels here. You're going to fit this pin into the black socket here up front. Go ahead and do that now. It'll kind of find a sweet spot, and from there it'll be able to fit in very easily. To remove it, all you need to do is press this button here and pull down at the same time. So just press and pull. And that's attaching the front wheels. For the second step, we have the front wheels attached, as you can see on the left. The rollator is now standing up. We haven't made any other adjustments to it. I have folded one of the back legs down just for stability, just as kind of an example. But we'll show you now how to fold the legs up or down with a locking mechanism here. In some models, these plastic tabs will be black. Other models, they'll be red. But either way, you'll see one on the outside and one on the inside. You can kind of see it back there on the other leg of each of the hinge joints at the base of the back legs. What you're going to do is grab both at the same time and pull them up toward the wheel. What you'll see then is they'll pop out of this groove. There's a bar that runs through. You'll be able to fold down, and when it folds down far enough, it pops into place in the down folded position. To fold them back up, you just do the same thing. Pull those down toward the wheel, fold the leg up, and when it's folded up enough, it locks back into place, and you're good there. Right now I have the bag attached. We're going to take a closer look at how to attach the bag here in a second. I just wanted to provide a wide shot. The bag attaches at 4 points around this peg here and this peg here with strap loops that just kind of wrap around it. And then down below, the adjustment holes for the hand rests. There's a bunch of holes here. You can wrap these Velcro straps around here and likewise at the bottom here. We'll cut into a bit of a closer look to show you how to attach those on each side. Okay, here's a side view, a bit closer up, showing how to attach the bag to the front of the rollator. It attaches first with just a basic fabric strap loop stitched onto the bag that'll go over the post here. The second part is this long Velcro strap. You'll wrap it from here around the post frame, attach it like so, and then just kind of cinch that Velcro together to get a good tight fit. Just do that on both sides and the bag will stay in place very well. Okay, now that we have all of the pieces attached to the frame of the rollator, our next step is going to be adjusting the height of the handlebars. I've got a close-up here of the holes for the adjustable locking pin on one side. We recommend adjusting one side one increment and then the other, just to make sure that the handlebars are set evenly. Now to do that, you'll just depress this little silver locking pin here. And while you're holding that in, you'll either push down or pull up on the handlebar. And what you'll see, that pin disappears and pops up into the next spot. Now you'll want to do this, like I said, one increment at a time, one side at a time, just to make sure that that little metal pin doesn't get jammed inside the frame of the rollator. And you'll want to make sure that the brakes are not locked when you do this. Otherwise it becomes much more difficult. Okay, finally, you'll want to know how to apply and how to lock the brakes on the rollator. To apply the brakes, pretty simple. You just pull up on the rounded brake lever here. The brakes are independent, so the left brake lever will cover the left rear wheel. It'll apply that brake, and Same with the right, it'll apply the brake on the right rear wheel. Locking the brakes is also independent as well. So if you're looking to park the rollator, whether it's just to set somewhere, whether it's to sit in, you'll want to apply both brake locks independently. Now to do that, you'll push down on this lever here. It's going to be a little firm, but you'll feel it drop and really fix into place. That will lock the brakes. To unlock the brakes, you just pull up. It's much easier to unlock than to lock, but once that lock is in place, you'll know it's good and sturdy. And that should just about cover it.